You don't have to travel now like they used to. 5,000 years ago, I guess, folks would travel hundreds or more miles to get this across deserts.
Yeah.
And it was literally hoarded by royalty because of its profound capacity to deal with pain and limit inflammation. We know that now, limit inflammation. But Boswellia, which is derived from frankincense, is in fact a material from ancient trees that still grow, that can grow in very difficult environments. So that's interesting that sometimes nature has messages for us. These trees can go through anything. If you want it to be like a tree like that, in fact, you want some of what is coming out of the trees, which is Boswellia.